Hey everybody, this is Tess on Drop Top Tees. This is going to be a really quick installation video because I realized back when I did it, I hadn't started making videos yet. So I put the original back on and I'm going to show you how to put on the stubby antenna from Speed. I know for a lot of you this is exceedingly simple and probably doesn't warrant a video, but remember, I'm doing this for people. I make videos for people that haven't done things themselves yet. So for the people out there who don't understand how simple it is, here is how simple it is. You literally grab this and just unscrew it. And when you buy the stubby for the 124 Spider, it perfectly fits. So you just screw it in. Hand tight. It is literally a 15 to 20 second installation. You need no tools, you need no skills. You just need to be able to unscrew this, screw that in, and you're done. So most people buy these because they look better than this tall thing sticking up. In my case, with my wing, I have to have this on because otherwise every time I lift the hood and stuff, it pulls it down like that. But one caveat, if you still use your radio and you live or do a lot of driving outside of big cities, be forewarned, no matter what they'll say on sites, no matter what the reviews say, and we don't know what antennas they actually switched from because Speed makes these for all kinds of cars. Compared to this antenna, this stubby, you'll still get reception, but as you drive farther and farther away from the signal source, you will lose reception quicker with the stubby than you will with the regular antenna. For most of us that use either Sirius satellite radio or Apple CarPlay, USB port or anything like that to provide your tunes, you get it off your phone somehow. This is for looks, and it doesn't matter about radio reception at all. Looks nicer, compatible with a spoiler if you ever get a spoiler, and it's very simple to do. If you like the video, thumbs up, hit subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.